At Mad Dog's Hobby Shop, you'll find everything for your RC needs. Cars, boats, planes, copters. We've got you covered. Whether you are beginning and need help picking out your first hobby-grade RC car, or you've been in the hobby for years, our knowledgeable team can help you out. We carry high-quality RC brands including Axial, Blade, E-Flight, ECX, Losi, Traxxas, Vatera, and many more. In addition, we carry a full line of OEM and aftermarket parts, as well as tools and supplies to make upgrades and repairs as quick and painless as possible. We're conveniently located on Pioneer Boulevard in Sandy. Come see us today.